In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Analytics to N8N. We'll move from a blank canvas to a workflow that can talk to your analytics property so you can automate reporting and insights without manual exports. Start by opening your N8N instance in the browser and signing into your workspace. Make sure you're in the right project where you have permission to create and manage workflows. If your team uses multiple environments, double-check the URL so you don't set things up in the wrong place. On the main page, look for the Create Workflow button to open a fresh canvas. Once you're in, create a new workflow. This opens a clean editor. Give it a clear name so you and your teammates can recognize it later. For example, GA4 reporting. Naming won't change how it runs, but it will save time when you return to edit or schedule it. It's also a good moment to add a short description, which helps with version history and handoffs. With the canvas open, search for Google Analytics. You can use the node search on the left or the Add Node shortcut on the canvas. Select the Google Analytics integration that matches GA4 since Universal Analytics is deprecated. If you see multiple matches, choose the one labeled for GA4. Adding the node now will make it easier to link credentials in a moment. Before we connect, set your trigger. The trigger controls when the workflow starts. If you want it to run on a schedule, choose a cron or schedule trigger. Set the frequency and confirm the correct time zone. For event-based runs, use a webhook trigger so external systems can kick it off. For quick tests, the manual trigger is perfect. Configure the trigger's options and place it before your Google Analytics node so the data flow starts correctly. Now add the credential and connect. Open the credentials selector on the Google Analytics node and choose to add a new one. Pick the Google account you use for analytics and complete the authorization. Grant the requested scopes so N8N can read your analytics data. After authentication, select the correct account, property, and dataset or view as prompted. If you have access to multiple properties, carefully choose the one that matches your reporting needs. Use the built-in test or preview on the node to confirm the connection is live. If the test fails, check your analytics role has at least read access to the selected property. That's it. You've opened N8N, created a workflow, searched for Google Analytics, set a trigger, and connected your credentials. From here, you can add nodes to query metrics, filter results, and send summaries wherever they're needed.